Let's learn table of 5. Table of 5. 5 is to 1 equals to 5. 5 is to 2 equals to 10. 5 is to 3 equals to 15. 5 is to 4 equals to 20. 5 is to 5 equals to 25. 5 is to 6 equals to 30. 5 is to 7 equals to 35. 5 is to 8 equals to 40. 5 is to 9 equals to 45. 5 is to 10 equals to 50. Let's revise table of 5 once again. 5 is to 1 equals to 5. 5 is to 2 equals to 10. 5 is to 3 equals to 15. 5 is to 4 equals to 20. 5 is to 5 equals to 25. 5 is to 6 equals to 30. 5 is to 7 equals to 35. 5 is to 8 equals to 40. 5 is to 9 equals to 45. 5 is to 10 equals to 50.